Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the world of webcams, and I've got a gem for you.
This is the Angetube 1080p computer camera, touted as the best manual focus webcam on the market.
Let's break down why this little device is making waves.
First off, let's talk about that crisp, clear video. With 1080p resolution and a maximum aperture of 2.1 f, you're getting top-notch image quality for all your video calls, streaming, or content creation needs. Ever struggled to fit everyone in the frame during a video conference?
Not anymore.
The Angetube webcam boasts a 100-degree wide-angle lens, ensuring everyone gets seen without squeezing in. Say goodbye to muffled conversations and background noise. This webcam comes equipped with dual noise-canceling microphones and an audio processing chip, delivering smooth, crisp sound without any static interference. Whether you're burning the midnight oil or working in a dimly lit room, the Angetube webcam has you covered. Its low light correction feature ensures you'll always look your best, even in less than ideal lighting conditions.
No complicated setups here.
This webcam is plug-and-play, compatible with a wide range of operating systems including Windows, macOS, Linux, and even Android.
Plus, it supports popular software like OBS, Skype, and Zoom. So, why is the Angetube webcam our top pick for manual focus webcams?
It's simple. It combines exceptional video quality, wide-angle coverage, superior audio, and hassle-free compatibility, all in one sleek package. Whether you're a professional conducting virtual meetings or a content creator engaging with your audience, this webcam ticks all the boxes.
And there you have it, folks.
The Angetube 1080p computer camera, the pinnacle of manual focus webcams. If you're ready to take your video quality to the next level, look no further. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.